We are propagating fig plant and we are using natural root hormone. This is from black willow plant. Willow work as a natural hormone. So I'm going to cut between these two knots right here and somewhere here. Let me make sort of like a circle cut here. And then I should probably cut around this. There is another knot, so I'm going to cut around somewhere a little bit here. It doesn't make much difference. Then I'm taking the bark here. Yeah, this is our bark. I'm going to take this.
I thought trees have milk.
Yeah. So
They do?
kind of. Some sort of juice, you can see, water, you could say.
Oh. But why'd you just why'd you shave the tree? Okay.
But you are my helper. So these are, I took off this bark and I'm going to scratch a little bit here. It doesn't grow any sort of new bark around this area. So that's why I'm just doing it. And my natural hormone is ready to be used. This is natural hormone. Look, I put.
I'm putting that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm going to go all around.
So if you cut that tree, if you cut the skin of the tree,
Yes.
you cut that skin on the tree.
Rooting. That's called natural rooting hormone from willow. Remember the last time we met?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's how we are going to do it. I'm generous in terms of putting all there. Okay, almost done.
And
It's fully ready, and I'm going to use this. It's a plastic bag. Instead of throwing, we are using it because we want to do something good for the environment. So let's see. I'm squeezing all
the dirt,
peat moss.
peat moss.
Yeah,
Why are you using that plastic?
because we have to wrap around.
But you just use that. You want to use the empty one.
Yeah, so we are using this way all around. So all around we are using.
Oh my, that's a lot.
Yeah, it will be a lot. We are, we
You're
can.
wrapping it?
We are wrapping it, but before we wrap it, I can put more
Oh, more?
dirt because more peat moss because we have enough for. We have a lot for this. So.
You're putting in the top too.
Yeah, I'm going to pack it here, right here, all around.
And after that, you need zip tie.
Yes, after that in the zip tie. Yeah, so.
Wow, that's a lot of dirt. So one plastic that will that will grow from other plants?
Yes, again because.
Too much?
Yeah, because we can use a lot here.
It's
Because
falling on you.
this branch is big, so we are making a tree.
Tree out of plants?
Yeah, so next year next year we will have a big tree. We don't need to wait many years.
We don't have to wait every day. Mom?
Yeah, so we are going to pack it a little bit.
So tomorrow's gonna grow so fast? Even more?
And then I'm going to put it right here. Now it's almost time for
Zip tie.
zip tie. My daughter knows everything.
Is it 3 or 1 or is it 3 or 2?
I could use more dot, but I think I will be fine.
How about?
Yes.
3 or 2 or 1?
1.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My dad.
Going to you.
My queen. My queen dad.
Oh. It's not big enough.
Okay.
So right here is perfectly fine.
Yeah, Mom will help you. Your wife.
And yes, my wife is helping me. That's true.
Oh.
And then,
Oh.
not queen.
You are a queen.
Okay, my younger daughter thinks that I'm.
You are a queen. I know you're a queen.
this plastic rope.
Are
And
you almost sweating?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm not sweating. Why should I sweat?
I was just thinking.
Oh, you're thinking.
Yeah.
Because I'm working really hard.
Oh.
So this is perfect.
Baba,
Ajur.
why'd you put that rope in that plastic?
Okay, because I need to tie it all together, otherwise it will fall. So after about 8 weeks, it will be ready. It will have many roots, and I will show how it roots, and then we will have new tree ready. Maybe next year we can have fruit.
Oh, okay.
2 months ago, we propagated this fig tree. It's my biggest propagation ever. You will see tons of root here in a while. So let me cut. Let me unwrap it here. So you can see tons of root. Some of the roots are still coming here. I think after about 1 week or 2 weeks, there will be more roots around this area. Fruits also I see, but there are roots are growing at the same time right here, this one. I never propagated this big tree, so there are tons of root. I can cut it and make brand new plant. This is a really big tree. There are about 20 or 25 branches here, which are fully grown branches, and also there will be, this tree already has some other shoots, but this will be the one. Yeah, this is a big tree and tons of branches, tons of roots. So it has been a successful experiment